we start the name of God. After that, may peace and prayers be upon all messengers and prophets. It is another time and our Somali learning program. We are we are still in the midst of our Somali pronunciation guide course. Still, we haven't finished today. I would like to post the remaining letters. Let's take Y, like we did before. We simply put short or long vowel before the consonant. You see, if you place just a short vowel, vowel, vowel after the y, it's gonna be like this. Yeah, yeah, yo, you. If you add the long one, it is yeah, yeah, yo, you. And also the vowels may come before uh, before the consonant is like we did. Now let's put short and long vowel before the yeah y. It is I, a, e, oi, and ui. And simply, if you again place the long vowel before the y, it is I, a, e, oi, and ui. So that's it. How to make this sound is not different than the English, yeah, like yes, yeah, and so on. So some examples include yap, yaksi, iriso, yol, Europe, yel, yon. It's very simple to actually, you simply put short or long vowel before the consonant and it's very easy to, you will see vowels that come at the first, at the beginning of Somali word. So they will stand as a unique syllable. I will try to do my best to actually do these voluntary lessons. You will so please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get future videos in real time. It's already 5 minutes enough, I think. I wish you the very best. Thanks for watching and bye.